Okay, ready to learn the hand wash dance. So first you've got to show me your hand like this. Okay, and then which is the top part of the hand?
This.
Which is the bottom part of the hand? Okay, and do you know which is the in-between parts? No, you make jazz hands. Okay, and then all these gaps are the in-between. So you can interlock your fingers and you can reach the in-between. Do you know what is the center of the palm?
This.
Yeah, this here. And where are your nails? Here. Where is your wrist? Here. Okay. So easy, you already know the dance. Now you just have to follow a song. Ready? Show me your hand. Go. Top and bottom. Top and bottom. In between. In between. Center of the palm. Center of the palm. Scrub your palms. Scrub your palms. Nails and wrists. Nails and wrists. Then what should we do? Round and round. Round and round. Round and round and round and round. So fast. Round and round and round and round. Squeaky clean. Super clean.
Squeaky clean. Super clean.
You want to do one more time non-stop?
Okay.
Ready? Show me your hand. Go. Once you have soap, what do you do?
Soap
Top and
and
bottom.
bottom,
Top
top
and
and
bottom.
bottom.
In between. In between. Scrub your palms together. Scrub your palms together. Center of the palm. Center of the palm. Nails and wrists. Nails and wrists. Round and round. Round and round. Round and round and round and round. Round and round and round and round. Squeaky clean. Super clean. So next time you wash your hand, are you going to sing this song?
Maybe.
Maybe. But you'll remember to clean your nails and your wrists and the center of the palm and the in-betweens and the top part and the bottom part. Yeah?
Top bottom. I usually wash my hands just like this.
That's not nice. You have to do all parts. In between, nails, wrists.
I just do like this.
You just do like this. Now I knew
Or
it.
like this.
That's why I thought I'd teach you this song.
Or like this. Or like this.
Exactly why.
Should I teach you another
You
song?
can. First say bye-bye.